Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the custom theme for Windows computer. Windows operating system has some default themes. If you would like to change the default theme, then you can download and install the custom themes. This video shows how you can change the custom theme for your Windows computer. First, you have to open the themepack.me website. In this website, they have provided a lot of Windows themes. You can choose as you need. They have provided the themes based on the category. You can choose as you need. I'm choosing the cartoons. Then choose this. Here they have provided the theme screenshots. What are the screens are included in the theme? Then you have to click on the download based on your Windows version. We have used Windows 10, so that we have used this. Now the theme pack has been downloaded to your computer. Once downloaded, you have to go to the downloaded folder. Then you have to double click on the theme pack. It will be open the theme settings page. You have to double click on this theme. Now we have to go to your desktop, then we can check it out. The theme has been installed in your Windows computer. The background color, everything has been changed based on the themes. If you would like to uninstall this custom theme, first you have to enable the default Windows theme. Then you have to right click and delete. Now your custom theme has been uninstalled in your computer. This is the default themes. You cannot delete these default themes. In this way, you can install and use the custom theme in your Windows computer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.